We've lived in the neighborhood for 21 years.
This is our first starter family home. We just moved to this area, and of course, less than a year later, fire happened.
There was a lot of devastation. Entire streets in the canyon completely leveled. The Woolsey Fire spread very quickly. People had minutes or hours to evacuate.
I just throw all of our valuable belongings, and then we had to go into my daughter's room and wake her up. We just hopped in the car and tried to get out.
Our homes were on fire.
My wife was in a state of panic because she just said, our house is not going to make it.
The idea of losing this home that was just our dream and it could all be taken away from us tonight, it was terrifying.
The unknown was really hard. The news kept replaying the same videos over and over again, and the Neighbors app kept it real for us because a lot of our neighbors were posting, even though they weren't home, they were sharing their videos of what was going on.
We could see in the video the winds were blowing horrifically and there were embers that were flying. It looked like the fire was very close.
If you look on some of the comments, some people were talking about how they know that their family is safe or their communities were safe. I love that people were posting like exactly where it was on their streets.
They would say, a new spot fire just happened at the high school, which is just right down the street from us. That was more informative than the news.
It was up to date, it was current. You could go on every 10 minutes and you could find something new about your community.
It was an incredibly valuable vehicle for communicating and managing our personal emergency from a remote location.
It just brings your community together so much in times of tragedy. It was like a support group.
It was priceless. It was like being home.